You can see how high the water came up. Because there's some mud on the trees. Yeah, the water came all the way up to where the mud is. Yep. Alright, we're going to walk back up this area. Careful for the mud. Mm-hmm. We even have some sand, quite a bit of sand that washed up. That's usually not super sandy over here. It's definitely more of a mud, usually. Woohoo, beach life. And the last time we had flooding, it came up the same way. The same area had the little path of water, but it didn't come nearly as far as this one did. But it came up right through there. And then into the yard. This was all full of water yesterday, for sure. Some trash. Everything's super green, though.